In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit number of responses in Google Forms. If you're collecting surveys, signups, or votes, you've probably seen the same person submit more than once. Google Forms has a simple built-in control that helps prevent this, a setting that lets each person submit only a single response tied to their Google account. Here's how to turn it on and what it means for your respondents. Start by opening Google Forms in your web browser. You'll land on a dashboard that shows your recent forms. Find the form you want to control and click it to open the editor. You should see the form builder with your questions in the center and a toolbar along the top. Next, look for the settings option at the top of the screen. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click it to open the Forms settings panel. If you don't see the gear, make sure you're in the editor view and not just previewing the form. Inside settings, locate the responses section. Here you'll find the option labeled Limit to One Response. Turn this on. When this setting is enabled, respondents must sign in with a Google account before they can submit, and Google Forms will prevent them from sending multiple responses from the same account. This is a straightforward way to cut down on duplicates and keep your data cleaner. A few notes to set expectations. Because this control relies on Google sign-in, anyone without a Google account won't be able to submit while it's on. If you're sharing the form broadly with people who might not use Google, consider mentioning that a Google sign-in is required. If you're using a work or school account, you may also see options that restrict responses to people in your organization. That can be helpful when you only want colleagues or students to respond. It's a good idea to test the change. Use the eye icon to open a preview, and you should be prompted to sign in before submitting. If you need to remove the restriction later, just return to settings and toggle limit to one response off. Keep in mind, this setting doesn't cap the total number of submissions. It simply prevents multiple submissions from the same Google account. If you need to stop collecting after a certain number, you can monitor the count in the Responses tab and switch off accepting responses when you reach your target. That's all there is to it. Open your form, go to Settings, and enable Limit to One Response to keep your results fair and tidy.